guys, it's Erica, and today I have so many plants to show you that I bought. They're all back here. So I bought all these plants because I wanted to start selling on Etsy, and I don't know how it's gonna go or anything, but all that I know is that I'm trying to hold on, there's a car passing by. Okay, sorry, there were cars passing. Okay, anyways, so I wanted to try selling on Etsy, and I want to keep the prices like really competitive with the market value. Anyways, okay, we're just gonna get into it. I'm gonna show you all these plants that I have. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and here we go. So I guess I'm just gonna go in the order of like a random order. The first plant that I have here is a string of bananas. For this, I was kind of thinking of selling like a little like quartet. I don't know, there's 4 different plants. So I was thinking of doing like a string of bananas, string of hearts, string of pearls, and a string of dolphins together, because I think that would be really cute to do together. So I bought this, and we'll see how that goes. So this is my string of bananas. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next plant. Okay, you guys, this is the string of pearls that I bought, and this is a 10-inch basket of string of pearls. It's really big. So I was gonna take cuttings of this one, the string of bananas, the string of heart, you know, all the strings, and then put them together. They're only gonna be cuttings, but they grow really fast, so should be fine. So this is the giant string of pearls. Really cool. So this whole entire thing was $19.99. That's really cool, right? $19.99 for this giant thing. There was like a smaller one, like this size, for like $20. I mean, not 20, oh my god, for like $10. For like 10 or 12, I don't remember, but it was only $5 more for this. So that's really cool. That's why I got this giant one. Okay, here are the string of hearts that I got. Let me take them out of the bag. They were $15 each. I bought 2 of them, and I'm not sure how long it is because they're all wrapped up. Let's see. Anyways, I was thinking of, like I said, in the little bundle thing with the other string plants, and also I did a giveaway on these, and I gave them away as like little rooted plants. So it would be like one plug, I guess you could call it a plug, and people were offering to buy it anyway, so might as well sell it on the shop because it seems that people do want this plant. So I have 2 of these. Let me show you the other one. Oh, this one looks a little longer. Hold on, there's a car coming. Okay, this is the other one, and $15 is the cheapest price that I have seen for the string of hearts at this size. So I got 2 of those. Let's see what else I have. There's so many plants. Okay, here's the watermelon peperomia. I don't know how I'm gonna sell this one yet, but I was thinking I could maybe root some leaves in soil, or I could even sell just like a leaf so people can root it themselves, because they're very easy to root. So I bought 2 of these, and these were only like $15. Yeah, $15.99. So I bought 2. I also have 2 more at home. Here they are. So I would probably have to choose the pretty looking leaves to use. So I'll put a picture here of sold listings so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's see, the next plant I have, oh, this one is for me. This one is a Maranta. It's one of the rabbit track Marantas, and this one is variegated. So I saw one of these at I think it was Lowe's. Yeah. So a while ago I saw one of these at Lowe's, and it was variegated. I passed up on it because I was just there to buy clearance plants, but I found one and it was $8, so I decided to buy it because I regretted it ever since I didn't pick that plant up, and I'm so happy that I got one for myself. So this one's just for me. Next plant I have, oh, I bought 2 of these also. Ooh, it's big. Okay, so this is a Scindapsus pictus. I'm pretty sure this is the Exotica one, but if I'm wrong, correct me, because I keep getting mixed up on those two. And I was thinking I could sell these as like cuttings. Okay, sorry if the angle changed a little bit. My camera died, so I had to replace the battery. Okay, anyways, I was talking about the Scindapsus pictus, and I bought 2 of these for $12. And so like I was saying, I could sell them as cuttings. I could split the plant up and do it that way, sell them in just like smaller pots. And there's also like the option to, I guess you can count this as a pothos if you want. So I could maybe even sell like a bundle of pothos, like the different kind of pothos. I think that would be cool. So yeah, here's the first one that I got for $12, and this is the second one. They're absolutely so pretty. Look at how big. Look how big these leaves are. They're so beautiful. I am so tempted to keep one. I have a little baby one, but these are so pretty. Okay, so those are the 2 Scindapsus pictus I bought. Let me see what else. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this Raphidophora tetrasperma, it looks like the other ones that I bought, but this one was only $14.99, which is by far the cheapest price that I have seen this plant being sold for. So it was the only one there, so of course I had to get it, and it has some new growth. Let me see, some new growth that's coming out right there, and this was a steal if you ask me. $14.99 for a Raphidophora tetrasperma. Okay, I think that the only option for this plant would probably be to sell it like as the full plant, just like send the whole thing, but I don't know how I would do shipping on that. We'll figure it out. So we'll have to see about that. Okay, these are the string of dolphins that I found. These 2 I bought were $18 each. I saw at a different nursery after I already bought these that they were selling for, I think, $15. So I could have gotten those, but I already bought these for $18. But I think $15 is definitely the cheapest I found these, because I saw this size at another nursery for like $24 or something like that. So the price is really varying on these. This would be part of the little string collection thing going on. Okay, and then this is the last plant. I got this one for myself. I think that it's just so cool. I think it's Haworthia, but I'm not sure. I don't really know much about succulents, but I just saw this one and it was really cool. I think it was like $4 and something cents or something like that, maybe $5, and I was just like, you know what, might as well buy it. And it might have been a little pricey for this plant, but I saw it and I really wanted it, so I just went and bought it. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I'm gonna have my Etsy shop linked down below, but you do not need to feel inclined to buy any of these plants at all. Like, if you want the plant, you can buy it, but do not feel like you have to buy anything. Like, if this doesn't work out, all of these plants are super great and I would want them in my collection. So it's kind of like, even if it doesn't work out, I still get to keep these really cool plants. So that's how I'm seeing it as. And I just decided to make this video because I don't know, if other people feel like selling plants, they could maybe use this as a reference, and maybe I could even look back on it. Like, I don't know, it's just, why not record it? If you do decide to look on my Etsy shop, like even just to look, and you see any prices that are like way overpriced and the plant should not cost that much, please let me know, because I do not want to have way overpriced plants. This is kind of like for plants that I have a lot of near me, but I guess in other places are not as widely available. So like for example, the string of hearts. There are so many string of hearts being sold around me, but I know in other places they're not as easy to find. Okay, there's a machine happening over there. I don't know what's going on, but I need to film this video. I'm losing daylight. Okay, so anyways, if you can think of any plants that are hard to find in your area that I might be able to find here in LA, easily undervalued plants, then let me know and I'll try to find them and list them. But I think other than that, that's everything. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!